This is Jim Artens. I'm just giving everybody a couple seconds here just to log in and get ready. While we do that, I'd like to thank everyone for taking the time to visit with us this afternoon, this morning, this evening, depending on where you're listening to us from. I can see we have people from all around the world. So again, we appreciate you taking time out of your day or evening or morning. And with that, we'll get started. First, I'd like to thank all of you for being thank everyone for being subscribers and clients. You taking into consideration my thoughts on the market while you make your trading decisions. Now, I put together the slides we're going to run through today. I did keep in mind some questions that have been emailed to me recently and the questions that I tend to receive on a regular basis. So I just wanted everyone to know that also that you can always email me your questions throughout the day when I'm in the office. I do tend to respond to them as quickly as possible, mostly the same day, if not within 20 to 30 minutes. So again, I do get a lot of email, and I do like chatting with clients, so please keep those coming. So with that, let's get going with this presentation, How to Boost Your Forex Trading with Your Currency Service Subscription. I'm going to start right off with the question I'm asked the most, and what's the best way to learn the wave principle? Now, in my experience, most people make the wave principle much more difficult than it really is. I mean, when we get down to it, there are 3 rules, a handful of guidelines, and that's it. The best way to learn those rules and guidelines is to read the Elliott wave principle. And I always suggest that people pretty much stick to just the first 2 chapters. I think in our current edition it runs about 80 pages. A big font, lots of pictures. We are talking about charts, so there's plenty of examples. And it probably would take you maybe an hour, just over an hour, to read it through. You probably have to read it several times. I keep a copy of this on my desk. I've been studying the wave principle and using it since the mid-'80s. I still refer to it from time to time.